All right, guys, today we're going to be taking this truck over to the tire store. We're going to be getting rid of the 275, 55, 20s that come on this truck stock with the night edition package, and we're going to be swapping them out for some 295, 65, 20s. All right, and here it is with these new tires put on here. So these are Toyo Open Country ATs, and so this 295 65 20, this works out to about a 35.1 inch tall tire, where the original Bridgestone Duellers were about 31.1 inches. So we've got a solid 4-inch increase here, and you can see with the front we've got plenty of room. I did drive about 45 minutes, did a bunch of different parking and stuff. Haven't had any kind of rubbing that I can hear or see at all, so which I'm really surprised about, but so far so good. It's been awesome. So I am going to put a 3.5-inch lift on this truck in the coming weeks, but at least in the meantime, I'm not having any issues with rubbing up front or anything like that. So pretty happy with how it turned out. Let me go ahead and get back a little bit for you guys so we can just kind of see how it all looks, take it all in. So yeah, I'm in love with how it looks. These 35s really fill up the wheel wells, make it look nice. And let's go around to the back of the truck just to kind of see that view as well. So yeah, I'm digging it. And what I like is the wheels on this and the tires, they don't stick out of the truck. I was going to buy wheel spacers thinking that I might need those to fit, but I don't think we need wheel spacers at all. We just need to put a 3.5-inch lift on here, and then we are going to be in business. All right, so coming home here, I wanted to take the truck over this little hill right here just to see if we heard anything. Nothing. So everything on this was just fine. Can't hear any rubbing, can't feel any rubbing. And then I have a little hill over here that's kind of made out of some of the crushed asphalt. So I wanted to bring it up on top of here, see if I could shove that front wheel in and hear anything. Again, didn't hear any rubbing at all, which, if it's not hitting on that, it's not going to hit on much else. And then now I try to do a couple full lock left around my little turnaround here just to see if we hear anything, and I hit the brakes as well while it's in full lock just to see if it rubs. That's usually when I get rubbing, like on my Jeeps, and I got nothing. So now I go ahead and I'm going to try to do the same thing all the way to the right and see if we hear it going that way. Hit the brakes. Again, nothing. So that's the usual test to see if we get rubbing, and we got nothing at all. So pretty happy about that. So what have we learned today? Well, we learned that you can put a 295 65 20 on a 2025 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and you don't even need to have a lift. Seems like it's just fine. Way better than when we put 37s on my wife's Jeep. Now, these are also Toyo Open Countries. Of course, different manufacturers do have slightly different sizes of tires, so it's possible if you got something else, some kind of mud terrain that's a 35, maybe it's bigger, wider, it might not fit, right? We don't know, but these do fit, and I am pretty freaking stoked about it. So now in the coming weeks, we will be putting a 3.5-inch lift on this truck, maybe wheel spacers, we'll see. New lug nuts for sure, because this thing just comes with like these horrible chrome lug nuts, so I'm going to swap those out for some black lug nuts. So more to come. Stay tuned.